Hi everyone, welcome to this short class of Palatable Provisions. My name is Jonathan and I'm going to make for you one of my favorite dips, Tzatziki. I hope that I said that right. Now it's a traditional Greek dip. It's a lot of times used in a gyro as a sauce. You can use it with vegetables, dips, as a garnish on top of a meal. We'll need some additional equipment, so we'll need to have our grater. In a minute you'll see why, but I use just a square, any sort of pan, just we're gonna collect some gratings in it, and then obviously our bowl and our spatula to mix. So I'm so excited to make this for you today. Let's go over our ingredients. All right, this recipe is super easy to make. It makes about 2.5 cups, and it's very easy to scale up. So we're gonna need 2 cups of grated cucumber. It can be an English cucumber, regular cucumber. You can seed it, you cannot seed it. I don't seed it, and it doesn't taste any different than if I did. I've done it both ways. And we'll need 1.5 cups of plain Greek yogurt. I use the 0% low fat, no fat style. You can use whatever kind you like. We'll also need 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of fresh mint and or dill. And my tip is I use both because, again, we've talked about we love flavor in this house, and I think using both together just adds so much more. Then we'll need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 medium clove of garlic, and you can either mince it or press it. I like to press mine through the garlic press, that's the right word, because it just blends in with the yogurt much better. And then finally we'll need 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, and I usually put a little bit of cracked black pepper in there as well. In a separate dish, use the large holes on your box grater to grate 2 cups of cucumber. Working with 1 big handful at a time, lightly squeeze the grated cucumber between your palms over the dish. Transfer the squeezed cucumber to the serving bowl and repeat with the remaining cucumber. Add the yogurt, olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and salt and pepper to taste to the bowl and stir. And now that we've mixed all of our ingredients except for our 2 herbs, we're gonna go ahead and set a timer for 5 minutes so we can let all of those ingredients rest together and all the flavors will start to combine. So let's set our 5-minute timer and off we go. All right, so it's been our 5 minutes. So now let's go and check in. We've got our tzatziki, and all of our flavors except for our herbs have melded together. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in my chopped mint and my fresh dill. And then I'm gonna go ahead and give this a nice big whirl around. And I'm gonna add just another pinch of pepper just to give it a little bit more fun, and another pinch or 2 of salt. Stir that around. Get it nice and mixed in. And then I'm gonna give this a little taste. It's very good. Now, if you feel like you're missing some flavor, or you need a little bit more of any of the ingredients, absolutely adjust this to your taste. So it's all ready to serve. All right, so we've made our tzatziki, we've got it all ready for our guests. You can go ahead and serve this immediately, or you can refrigerate it until it's ready to use. If it refrigerates, it will seize up just a little bit, so I recommend adding just a splash of olive oil to kind of loosen it up. And then it's ready to serve. You can serve it with a nice pita chip, or a crudité, or on a gyro, or as an accompaniment for a main course. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to get all of our updates.